Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I Bible journaled and did my prayer journal with my Faith and Fear Bible journaling kit. So this was the kit. I reviewed it a couple of months ago and I decided to start using it today. So it came in with tip-ins, some cardstock stickers. As you can see, these are the ones I used. Clear stickers, washi tape, and these. Don't know what these are called. Let's see. These are called die cuts. So a bunch of die cuts with Bible verses in the back of them. So on my Bible, my journaling Bible, first I decided to do like a little page thing with washi tape. So my first thing that I want to show here is that here's the Bible journaling part of it. Let me go up some so you guys can see it a little better. So this is the die cut. This is a die cut. This is a clear sticker. That was me, my hand lettering. This was the cardstock sticker. And then I used some of my washi tape right here. So I used this one, which is golden pinkish. And I used my washi tape here. And I used down here I used the gold watercolor from Amazon. And I used my regular watercolor. I mixed in a little bit of white with a little bit of red and got this pink background. So first thing is first, and of course I date stamped it with my Versa ink. But the first thing first is I made a big mess. There's pink everywhere. So FYI, next time you might want to have cover up somewhere. Next is because it ended up going across to the other few pages. There is some shadowing on this side of the page. Not too worried about it. The watercolor is fine. You don't see it through until you lay it flat. Once you lay it flat, then you see it through. But we're still working around, playing around. It did come out pretty good. I didn't want to cover the word of the Bible. So everything I used for coloring, I lightened it up with a little bit extra water so I can still see the words. I can still see you might not think I can see that, but it's just the glare of the camera and I can actually see that. So I'm fine with that. So not bad for a first Bible journaling. So I put, He bore the sins of many for me to be forgiven and to create in me a clean heart. So that says a clean heart. The verse, it was Isaiah 53:12. Therefore will I divide him a portion with the great, and he shall divide the spoil with the strong, because he has poured out his soul unto death, and he was numbered with the transgressor, and he bare the sins of many, and made intercession for the transgressor. So of course I did this on the Bible, and then I did this on my prayer journal. So of course I put the 3 colors in the back with some brushes. I used the washi tape that came with it. I used the washi tape that I used for this. I also put the same thing. He bore the sins for me to be forgiven. And I wrote down the verse. And then of course I said a little prayer. Forgot to put amen. This is my regular prayer journal, so I know nothing goes through it, and if it does, it doesn't matter because I paint on the other side anyways. As you can see, they're all different. So I decided to just do something simple on the Bible, and then whatever I'm going to write, my thoughts, my prayer for that verse, I can use my prayer journal because that's what I have. So once again, here it is, the prayer journal. I think you guys can't see it too much because it glitters. Sorry. And then here is the Bible journal. Put it up a little bit more so you guys can see it a little bit better. But that's it. So far, so good. I will see you for the next one. God bless. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, and comment below if you have any. Thank you.